Hey guys, welcome to R&L Homestead. Alrighty guys, so today I'm going to be showing y'all all of the animals on the farm. So let's go feed them and I'll show you them as we go. Alright. Now I'll give y'all a little up close on the rabbits in just a second. So you can see here, we got this one. And comment down below if you have a good name suggestion for any of the rabbits. Tell me. So this is our buck right here. Say hello. Say hello. And he's super pretty. If you have a good name suggestion, put it down in the comments below. So this is my laying flock, my pasture flock. And let's see who we got here. We got Big Red Jr. right there. We got Coachy. Say hey, Coachy. Let's see. We got Big Red, of course, right there. We got Goldie right there. We got, let's see, what else we got in here that has a name? Oh, right here. That one right there, that's Favy. Caroline named that one. That's Chip. That's another one of Caroline's chickens. And that's it for this flock. Oh, and then I think we got like, Caroline named that one Cinnamon, Lucy, yeah, and I think that's it. Oh, Karen also named that one Amber. This is Americana here. So this is, we'll get here. Oh, I guess not really, You see that Barred Rock's tail? Looks like we missed a rooster. He shouldn't be here. We may have to take him to Collinsville soon. Maybe even that one. It's starting to look like he's got a decent tail on him. I may have missed some roosters. I know I'm not selling him though. That's Big Red Jr. Alright, let's give these guys some chick starter because we do have some younger birds in here. And let me show you that flock right there now. Alright, so this is our little chicken tractor flock here. See, we got some, none of these have names either. So if I say one and y'all think y'all got a name for it, comment down below. Look, you can see Goldie right there. And then that one right there, that Polish here, it's a golden lace Polish. But yeah, right here we have a Barred Rock Americana mix, Black Star Polish, another Polish, and all three of these Polishes in here, Judy from Sneed's Farmhouse sent me. So, what else? We got that one. Caroline is naming that one Chip Jr. because it looks like our chicken Chip. I don't know where she went. We got some. What else? These, we got 3. Those 2 right there are Jersey Giant hens, and they get really big. Let's see, that is a salmon favorite rooster right there. Man, oh, skittish today. And we got, I'll see that orange one with that white. I hatched it. Hey, you get down. You don't need to be in here. I hatched that one. That's a rooster. So I'm excited about because I wanted my own Polish rooster. Hey, Brad. Oh, crazy. Scared me. He's chasing Big Red Jr. because Big Red is our dominant rooster out of all of them so far. He just chased that rooster right into my leg. Spooked me. But yeah, if y'all see a chicken or whatever while I'm making this video, definitely, if I told you the name, tell me in the comments below what we should name it. Because I would love to maybe have a few more of them named. Like this Crescicor here. Maybe y'all got a name for her. Now, let's move on with chores. Let's go check out on the brooder and see how they're doing. Oh, look there. We got another one. This is Brownie, Caroline's cat. Oh, she's gonna run away. Don't run away. Come here. Come here. Yeah. Hello. Yep, this is Brownie. We got 2 cats because we needed extra cat to help Snicker kill all the mice. Right now, she just only kills crickets, don't ya? Yep. It is a mess in here, y'all. Having 60 birds, and all I have up here are all of these small feeders. I like this one still. This is the Roosties feeder, and there's the water over there. So I like those because the chicks can't get in it and poop in it or scratch in it. But they're making a mess in here. So let's put some fresh shavings down. And I have some bigger feeders. So we'll put those in here today because they're getting pretty big. And if y'all don't remember what kind of chicks these are, the white ones are pearl white leghorns, and the red ones are red stars. So, now I already can start seeing some big combs on the leghorns like that guy. I'm pretty sure he's a rooster. You can see how big his comb is compared to like these others. But, man, y'all are getting flighty. But probably in another week or so, we'll move these out to pasture. Oh, hey, what are you doing up there? So, I got some bigger feeders. But I just don't like this because I have to now clean up these boards. Normally, I'll just flip them over. And you can see, I still got to scrape all that poop off. So, I want to try to get to as many or as less boards as possible. Alright, it's got a cricket. Who has it? Oh, that one has it. You see him? No, that one has it. Oh man, they're going everywhere. Those silly chickens. So here's our new setup. Got our hanging 7-pound feeder, our little Roosties feeder, our big trough feeder, which only 2 chicks are at, and then our little Tractor Supply feeders. So, hopefully that'll also help spread all these guys out. And, hey, Cookie. Oh, you're gonna peck me. Yeah. You're pretty. Bye. Here we've only lost 1, which was our free chick from natural causes. And then we lost like 5 due to the rats and mice. So they're all doing good. Like I said, about a week or so we'll be moving them out to pasture. And all those birds in here and the brooder are for our next laying flock, because once the garden flock molts behind us, y'all can see, we're going to be selling all of them at Collinsville, as well as those 2 roosters we found in the pasture flock. But while I'm right here, I'm going to give y'all a little update on the sunflowers. And as y'all can tell, that's the tallest one, and they're getting really big. But squeeze. Y'all see it? It's starting to bloom. So soon we'll have sunflowers. There's quite a few now with blooms. See that one maybe? So just thought I'd give you an update on the sunflowers. But now let's go do the pigs. Hey, Snick. How are you doing? Snicker is my cat. He's the oldest, of course. There's Brownie. Brownie loves messing with Snicker, doesn't she? Yeah. Alright, we're over here at our garden flock, and Caroline is filming for me. So, let's get these guys fed. All done. And their waters are fine because I did them last night. The Brooder's waters are fine because I did them yesterday. And they don't drink that much water yet. So now, let's go do our little pigs.
Hey, Chest and Pork Rock, how you doing?
So I gave them a bunch of grain yesterday because we had some bad grain that got wet. Sally's barking at pup. But this is, let me get in there. Alright, so Caroline's going over there to pet Sally, that way she'll calm down. Here, come here, Chester. So this is Chester. Yeah, you're Chester. And that one right there, that's pork rind. So that is the little update on the little pigs. I'm going to be doing the big pigs later today. Or not later today, but I'm going to go do the cows first. And then I'll do the big pigs. So, because I got to move them. So I want them to be super hungry. That way they move super quick. And also, I guess while I'm right here. Hold on, pup. Don't run away. I may spook you. I can introduce you to Pup. Pup is our livestock guardian dog. See Sally. And she's a good girl, aren't you? Sometimes she's a little skittish, but normally to me and Caroline, she's a good girl. We've had 2 foxes running around here, and every time I see them, normally Pup's over there and starts barking at them. So she's doing her job. She normally rests in the mornings and evenings because at night she's always active. Aren't you, baby? Yeah, you're a good girl. Alright, we're heading out. That way I can go do the cows. We moved yesterday, Mom. I know Mom got some footage, so we'll play that as I drive down there to the cows. But we moved them to the back pasture yesterday. So I'll show you that footage right now. So I can't drive with one hand.
These boys are really showing out. Not sure why that big bull is running like that, but I'm gonna get out of the way. Okay, I have their final paddock set up. Our grass back here is not great, so this paddock's really big. We'll just get like 1 to 2 weeks out of this field back here. But now we're gonna push them over. And Tina's deciding to give Caroline a kiss. Check her out.
Well, on my way down here, the donkeys are over here, so I'm gonna say hello. Hey! Y'all doing good? Yeah. Come here, baby. Hey, you doing good? Guys, so these are the cows. I'm sure you're familiar with them, but maybe you're new to my channel and you haven't seen them. So this is Tina, and she is our Jersey milk cow, even though we're not milking her right now because we need Charlie here to get nice and big, because we're going to be processing him and Buddy probably in the winter. We don't know about her, but we think she's pregnant, so we're probably gonna have to dry her off because she hasn't went back in heat yet. So she may be pregnant. If she is due around May. But I'm not gonna move these guys because this is Mom's chore and I have to go move the pigs because they really need moved. These guys got moved here yesterday, and there's not much grass they really want to eat, but there is still a good chunk of grass they can eat, and they can walk all the way down there. So these are the cows. I just thought I'd introduce you to them in case y'all have never seen them here. Like I said, that one right there is Buddy. But I'm gonna jump back into the truck and we're gonna go back to the pigs, get them moved. Hopefully everything goes well. And of course, we can't forget our rogue chicken that we have no idea where she's laying. If she's broody, because she won't go back up to the coop, but she'll spend a little bit of time out in the pasture and in the woods, and she's going into those woods, so I really hope her nest isn't in there. But I have a feeling it's over here in either that bush, this bush, or in the tree. I don't know, but she's clucking like she's broody. You know how like a broody hen sounds. When they walk off the nest, they got that like, I don't know. Alrighty guys, so these are our big pigs. you can see they have cleaned this up really nice. Of course, they got some stuff that they haven't touched really, but they have cleaned this area up quite a bit. Now you can get in here, and I'm only gonna put them in a 100-foot paddock, and I'm not gonna film it because I don't have, well, I have a tripod, but this phone I'm filming on is Mom's phone, and it's all broken and it's about to fall apart. So I'm not going to put you on the tripod because I don't want y'all to like slip and fall, or that could be bad. Because if I drop the phone and it breaks, I won't be able to film at all for a little while until Mom could get another phone. So I'll show y'all the setup pig paddock and as much as I can with me doing this by myself with no tripod. But let's get them moved. Alright, y'all hear that? Well, clearly I didn't when I touched it. Man. And I got shocked. Hurt. Shocked my hand because I went to touch this old paddock, but the wire is just barely on it, I guess, and it zapped me. Wasn't too hard, but it still hurt a little bit. So I'm gonna go cut off the fence. Y'all can see this is where the pig's old paddock was in that waller. And I just saw a few little fish in here. I know they weren't tadpoles or frogs. It was a fish. There were 2 little fish in here. Huh. Hopefully this will dry up, because right now it's just sitting and it's a mosquito haven and it's disgusting. Let's move the pigs. I don't know what. Alright, I'll pick up this one and then I'm just gonna scoot them right into that little area right there where they haven't been.